So if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, Antonio, what can we learn from OnlyFans? Okay, and I promise you, I'm not gonna be on that type of time, so don't worry, this ain't gonna be no freaky deaky video, all right? But I think as content creators, I think this situation is very, very important. Now, I know some of you guys will be like, well, this is just adult performers, but in general, I think as content creators, we don't worry about these type of things, about censorship and all that until it's too late. But before I get too deep into the video, I really want to set the scene of what's happening with OnlyFans so you guys know, what's going on. So essentially, OnlyFans come October 1st is no longer allowing adult content on their platform. Now, you can have your opinion on adult content, but in general, I think it is kind of messed up because those performers pretty much built the OnlyFans platform. We really only know about OnlyFans is because of the adult content on their platform. And essentially OnlyFans was like, hey, you gave us the popularity. Now, we want to be more investor friendly, more advertiser friendly. We're already popular. We don't want this type of stuff on our platform anymore. Which again, I think is messed up because now what are these adult, performers going to do? And so that brings me into my point of creating this video is that as content creators, we have to realize that we do not own these platforms. You do not own Instagram. You do not own YouTube. And so if at any point, if these platforms just want to say, you know what, we want to pull your content, they can, whether that's political based, whether that's, sexual based, whether that's whatever, right? You are not free to do whatever you want on these platforms. And God forbid, YouTube shuts down, Instagram shuts down, Twitter shuts down, Vine. Remember Vine? We have no control of it. Now, we can't make a living anymore. So I created this video to say, listen, you need to be, creating systems within your content to make sure that you're either building an email list or figuring out ways to get your followers information. Now, as a content creator, I know these are not things that we always think about, right? You just assume you're gonna wake up tomorrow and Instagram is gonna be there, or YouTube, but I promise you want to be collecting your followers and your subscribers information as much as possible. Because maybe it may not be a situation to where, they're changing their algorithm or they're changing their terms of service, right? It could be, you could be hacked, right? And then you've lost all your followers. So definitely be taking heed to this situation, definitely prevent it for yourself, be collecting data. I can't stress that enough. Collect your emails, collect your phone numbers, addresses, names, all that stuff now, just as a backup, just in case something like this happens to you. So let me know, how do you guys feel about this? Do you even care? Is this, causing you to change how you may be perceiving yourself as a content creator? Let me know in the comments down below. Till next time, be easy.